So we talk about what we're going to be talking about in the video, and then we roll the intro after this. Is that how we do it?
I don't remember.
Okay. I don't know what's going on. What's up, my keto friends? And you know who you are. Welcome back to another video. It's been a while, but if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, do me a favor, click that subscribe button, move a little bit over and click that bell and the word all so you do not miss any notifications that we upload here. Now,
It's been a while since anybody has received a notification.
right there. So if you're receiving a notification, you're probably thinking, wow, these people are still alive? Right? Mm-hmm. Yes, we are. We've had a couple of comments wondering where we are. Thank you, Rose, for those comments, those lovely comments. You were asking, hey, where you guys at? I haven't seen anything. Well, today's video is a little different. We're going to do an update video because we've kind of been in a little mode that we've ran into with our lives. And I understand that you guys want some delicious cooking videos, but we're not going to do that today. But we will get those to you soon. Today is kind of going to update you on where we've been. The month of December, as you know, we were in Kansas City. We were planning on doing videos in Kansas City, but a whirlwind of COVID went through the house and kind of slapped that down.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody's fine.
In the hospital. She got out 81 and she made it through COVID. Praise God. It's amazing because I've heard so many horror stories of so many people that are younger than her that unfortunately didn't win the battle with COVID, and we're very thankful that she did. Yes.
That being said, that took us when we got back to Birmingham, which is where we're from Kansas. January, of course, we were in this mode of getting the place ready because our plans are to move to Kansas City to be near our granddaughter.
Yeah, well,
and
first
our
of
daughter.
all, and also when we're in Kansas in December, that's why we went to go look for houses.
Yes.
And that didn't get to happen because of all the crap.
Yeah.
So we didn't get to, so we came back here and we started. This has been like a 2-year process. We've been here, was it 2 years?
It feels like 2 years. Feels like 50.
After my dad died, we moved in with my mom to help her out because, you know, she's 81 and about to be 82, and I didn't want her to be alone. She'd been married for almost 60 years, and so we decided, you know, to be a blessing and move in with her and help her to get her place ready to sell. And then along came a grandbaby, and that changed everything.
Yeah, so then we were like, hey, we want to see our grandkid grow up because we're what? How many miles away? 6,000?
700 and something.
Oh, that's a little less than 6,000.
It's like 3,000 from coast to coast.
700 miles away. We wanted to see our grandbaby grow up and have something to do with her life. So that's what we decided to do, to pack up the truck and move to Beverly. Not Beverly, Kansas.
Go Chiefs.
Oh, yeah, the Chiefs. She went ahead and got one.
I'm still Roll Tide all the way. All day long.
National championships. 7 of those under the belt. Why are we talking about this? Anyway,
Because it's
she's got the Chiefs shirt already, so she's ready to go. Notice the color scheme. It's almost identical.
Red and
The
white.
crimson red, right. So when we got back in January, we were like trying to get the place ready to show to people. We were having to get properties ready to sell. So it just came, we just weren't able to get our studio set up and cook some delicious hot cocoa and Rice Krispie treats for you guys. Even though we wanted to, and we know you guys looked forward to that, we just weren't able to. There was just too much going on. We couldn't stop and do production because we tried, our goals were to, spit out 2 videos a week, and by recording on Sunday, spitting those out the next week, it's just it was taxing. Plus, we were having to go to Goodwill, go to the dump, go here, go there, hey, what do you want to do with this lamp? I don't
Dude,
know.
It has been a crazy. Just in the past 2 weeks, we took 2 flatbed trailers to Goodwill and 4 van loads to Goodwill. We have a crap ton of stuff at the road for debris people to pick up. I mean, it's just been crazy. Because my mom accumulated a lot of stuff over 80 years of her life. And I'm a minimalist. I like, as you can see by, our room where the magic happens, we don't have like hardly anything in here. Like, I don't like stuff. I don't like clutter.
You're talking about you're talking about eating candy, and that's what the magic you're talking about, right? Eating candy and ice cream under the covers.
Hiding from the kids.
Yeah, hiding from the kids. That's what she's talking about there.
But we've still been eating like keto type food. We haven't done the, what do you call it? What's it called?
Little bunny foo-foo?
Our macros. We haven't really.
The macros, yes.
I haven't gained
20 a day.
Anything. I haven't gained any weight at all. I'm still maintaining the same weight that I've been. Still down 50 pounds.
Yeah, I've actually gained some weight. So it's not because I've got back on any carbs. I just eat and snack and eat and snack, and you have to control yourself. You just can't eat all day when you want to, so you have to control those segments. Like eat at 12 and 6. I haven't been doing that. So plus our life's been a whirlwind, so everything's kind of chaotic. But
we've been eating a lot of keto bread too.
Yeah, which is probably going to rack up over the carbs, or 20 a day. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because if you can't get less than 20 a day, you're either going to gain weight or you're not going to keep losing it. But the good thing is we got healthy blood.
Yeah. We've been
That's
maintaining
the important stuff.
Pretty much. I mean, you tear up some Lily's a lot more than I do.
I like Lily's chocolate because I used to love Hershey's chocolate. Mm-hmm. Now I'm a Lily's fan.
But you didn't eat sweets as much, I think, before we started doing keto.
Little
as
Debbie's?
you do now. I mean, every now and then.
Those cream pies? Are you joking me?
You would say, I want a
I'd
sweet
eat 2
bread.
of those like in a setting.
Yeah, but you didn't eat as much candy. You weren't a candy guy.
A candy bar, yeah. Mm-mm. Well, we would pick up what was those Nutrageous? Those Nutrageous bars. What are you talking about? Those are crazy. See if we can make those. Anyway, we said all that to update everyone. If you were wondering, where the heck is my keto friends at? Why haven't they put out any videos? Well, that's why. Because we've been trying to get our place ready to sell so we can move to Kansas City.
And it's not going to be we might be able to kick out 1 video a week, but we're not going to be able to do 2 a week for right now because we both have full-time jobs. We both, homeschool our kids. Plus, just life in general. And I still cook, but I don't have time to set up everything to cook and then to him to, do all the work that it takes for editing and stuff like that. So,
and we're not, and I hope you don't think we're sitting here, this is an excuse. We're doing a sob story. Please feel bad for us. That's not what this is at all. We just, I don't even know if anybody cares.
Feel bad for us.
I don't know if anybody cares at all. Does anybody care?
I care.
Oh, okay.
I care about my
There's got to be somebody that cares out there.
It doesn't.
That said, hey, where's those videos?
I care enough for everybody. I care for everybody.
Are you caring?
I do not have the haircut.
Anyway, I'm not sure how long you want to update this video. How many minutes you want to do this?
Do we have to talk about this?
Yes, we do. How do we end this?
We just want you to know that we love you.
We love you.
We are still going to kick it out.
I still want to do a hot cocoa video.
Yes. And I want to do...
Before winter's over.
The cauliflower soup.
Yeah, cauliflower soup. Mm-hmm. Is that a winter thing too?
Soup?
Yeah. Well, that one. Is it like a warm and fuzzy? Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah. So we've got a couple we want to do before winter's over because we're all about the theme of the season. And I really want that hot cocoa to come out. Actually, there's a friend of mine that's been looking for that. The hot cocoa video, so.
We made hot cocoa and we made little jars for my daughter to give out as gifts to everybody. And people were like, I will pay you to make me more hot cocoa.
Yeah. Did we get any pictures of that for Instagram?
I don't think so.
Anyway, it's the powder in a jar with
We made
marshmallows.
little mason jars,
Yeah.
little small mason jars. We could put the recipe. Well, I guess we're gonna do a video.
Yeah, I guess so one day.
But I probably won't do the same thing because I bought powdered milk, the powdered heavy whipping cream.
Oh, to go in it so you could mix it up
And that
out
junk
of the
is
jar.
expensive.
So anyway, hey guys, thanks for keeping with us. Actually, today we've hit 750 subscribers, and that's without not putting out any videos. That's probably just the YouTube algorithm pushing our videos out that you guys have already liked and commented and subscribed, so that algorithm is out there pushing our content to people that want to see how to live a simple keto lifestyle. So appreciate that.
Peeps, man, I really do.
Appreciate that.
I'm not
So-
even kidding. I miss the interaction with our keto friends.
Yes, exactly. Well, until next time, remember, keep it keto.
Wow,
I went back to the first one.
you sure did.
She likes it.